Hey collective, this your girl Empress Met on the ones and twos and threes. About to get ready to do a quick little energy check-in for my collective. If it's something that resonates, it resonates. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Please, please, please do not force it to fit if it's not your story. Look at my heart. If you like indoor love, what I do, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow on your way out. And I would appreciate it. Nonetheless, let's get into this reading. Hey y'all, so I'm doing something a little different. I just want to do it this way. I'm gonna start back going live for real, cause I ain't been doing it. I ain't did this shit in so long. Oof. Sometimes, man, I don't be in the mood for that stuff. I ain't gonna hold you. First card popped out was the Justice. Justice in an upright attitude. You have an upright attitude, transparency, cause and effect, fairness, integrity, clarity, accountability. Lawsuit will be won. Some of y'all could actually have a literal lawsuit going on. If y'all could have something going on pertaining to the justice system, and whatever that is in that instance, just know that you are going to win your case. It's no maybe to it. I feel like the reason why it's like that for you is only because you do try to maintain a positive attitude, and whatever the case was, I feel as though you were being very, very transparent of whatever was the cause and effect of the situation, and some type of fairness or integrity that has to be had. I feel like if it does not have nothing to do with the law, you could just be just receiving clarity very, very soon, as in regards to a certain situation. Or for a lot of my collective who this is resonating with at this time, you already have received the clarity that you need, which has already brought you justice. And if you have not received the clarity that you need regarding the situation, I see that clarity is coming in the very near future, and you're going to feel more justified. And once you get this go ahead, whether it is in a court setting or if it's just something going on in your personal life, we do have the Six of Swords that popped out as well. With the Six of Swords popping out, we have a transition, letting go of hatred, moving on, leaving behind, relief, a journey. I just feel like once you receive this justice, I feel like you're going to put that hurtful past situation or whatever that was that you was attached to behind you, whether it is a court setting, a platonic relationship, or a romantic relationship. Because like I said, I feel like throughout this whole journey while you have been waiting for this clarity or some type of positive turnaround for a certain situation, you have stayed positive, and it's going to bring you out of whatever heartbroken situation that you was. I heard graped. That's what I heard. Some of y'all might have got graped, and it was a hard time trying to prove it because it was someone that y'all was close to. Graped. If y'all know what graped is, y'all know what graped is. Okay, I ain't gonna say it out loud because I don't know how TikTok feel about it. We got optimism, forgiveness, recovery, healing, releasing pain, and acceptance. I feel like you got graped by someone that was close to you. And so this male energy, you didn't expect for this person to do it. Some of y'all, it could have been a husband. I feel like that you could have been scared before taking this person to court as well. I feel like that this person made you feel like you had minimal options prior to you speaking out against it. It could have been you could have been SA and whatever the case may be, when you were real young is what I'm getting, and people made you feel like that you were not going to get the justice that you needed in this dynamic, but I feel like now you're going to have the justice. So that's why I said, even if it's not a court situation, I feel like that you're going to feel like that you have received all the information that you need to finally accept the pain that transpired and finally be able to let that hurt go. The next card popped out was the Seven of Cups in the reverse. Endless choices, opportunities, daydreaming, wishful thinking, and searching for purpose. I feel like I see you going on a spiritual journey after this or whatever. Some of y'all could already, this already could be something that has happened in the recent past. If not, it will be over soon. I am hearing something about court for some fucking apparent reason. I don't know why. And I feel like you felt a lot of regret because I feel like whatever transpired, you felt like it was you, that it was you to blame, even if it had nothing to do with being SA or raped. I just feel like you felt like it was something that you did wrong as to why it happened the way that it happened. You gonna hear communication. Oh, look at that. Amen. That's coming out in the right. I feel like it's saying that it's been a long time coming is what I'm hearing, because the 8 of Wands did come out in the reverse, but I feel like that you finally gonna be able to slow down in this dynamic from some type of situation that made you feel regretful. I'm even hearing that it could have made you feel shameful. Then we have loss, grief, sorrow, disappointment, despair, disappointments, relationships, problems, and pessimism. Pessimismness is what I'm getting. which is pretty much what I was getting within this dynamic. I just feel like that's just how you've been feeling, whether it was something that had something to do with court or otherwise, even if it had something to do, even if it had something to do with a relationship. That's why I'm asking, like, you gonna be able to control the shit when I make you mad. Right. So with that being said, yeah, I just feel like it was a delay, or if I'm just saying it was a delay. Like it could have been a delay in communication. If it has something to do with court, I feel like this court situation has been something that's been ongoing for quite an extended period of time. I feel like they postponed it or set it off a lot. It could be male energies that's actually going through it. I feel like you maintain the strength to continuously go through and grow through whatever has been going on within this dynamic, whether it's relationship, whether you were SA'd as a child, raped as a child by someone that was close to you, if it's just you in a relationship that has been postponed. But can I be very, very honest right now, collective? I'm not getting it. I'm not getting nothing to do about a damn relationship, whether it's platonic or real relationship or otherwise. It's not what I'm getting. I'm literally getting that it's something regarding court, like tickets, maybe not even tickets. I feel like it's some more so exclusive stuff like SA case, sexual assault case. Matter of fact, some of y'all could be lawyers even, and I feel like you were gonna win. I feel like you was feeling reluctant about the situation because it was a delay and them postponing, chaos, losing momentum, hastiness, pessimism, not prepared, sluggish. I just feel like everything seemed like it started moving in slow motion in your life for the person that was the victim in this and not the lawyer dynamic in the situation. I feel like everything just started moving in slow motion for you in general. And I feel like you had to just maintain the strength within it. But because you maintain the strength, this is why the situation is working out like that. I see strength, bravery, confidence, courage, focus, pursuit, persuasion, influence, energy, overcoming an obstacle. And general, okay? Overcoming an obstacle, okay? I see it. That's what I'm telling you. I'm seeing a lot of obstacles and challenges. I'm telling you, it was around some SA or graping stuff. And I feel like you finally going to get the justice that you need. Some of y'all, you just may get, just universal justice. It maybe never went to court because I'm getting, I feel like someone could have SA'd you when you was a child. And I feel like you never really got the justice that you needed in the dynamic. I feel like you felt like this person continuously got away with doing it. I feel like this person even essayed other individuals in your family. But trust and believe with this 3 of Cups coming out, everything gonna be just fine within this dynamic because this is where you're gonna be celebrating very, very soon behind this dynamic. And I feel like finally you can let that hurt go because we have the 4 of Pentacles that came out in the reverse in the dynamic. You know what I'm saying? You can finally gonna be able to let that hurt go is what I'm hearing. I'm finally seeing that I just see that you finally gonna have a sense of relief in whatever type of negativity occurred in your past. You're finally gonna be able to let it go. And I'm not getting a relationship. I'm just keeping it real. Hey, y'all just gotta take it if it's your reading. If it's not, it's not, okay? I see you finally gonna come out your head. I see you're gonna be you're gonna be more productive. You finally gonna be releasing and regaining awareness. You're finally gonna see some sense of freedom. And literally it's a survivor. Self-limiting beliefs and hopeful. It literally said a survivor. I knew I was on to something. That's why I say that's just how my readings come out, y'all. It's not always about love and relationships. Sometimes it's just about real shit that real people go through. You feel me? Like real shit. Then we got the Page of Wands, imagination, inspiration, experiment, extrovert, fresh ideas, eye-opener, cheerfulness, and energetic. I feel like all this is going to come back to you in general because I just feel like you've been sluggish the whole time and you finally going to feel like it's a woman. I'm just keeping it real. This is having something to do with more so my feminine collective. It also could be a masculine and feminine energy who went through this from a childhood up until now. Some of y'all got actual legal justice in the justice system. This case has been going on for quite an extended period of time. Some of y'all were wives, and so therefore your husband could have had some type of high profile job such as a judge, so it was hard for you to prove that it was some type of foul play going on into that dynamic. This person even could have been raping and sexually assaulting children. I'm saying raping and sexually assaulting, okay, is what I'm getting. And then we got a Queen of Wands energy. I feel like you finally gonna have some renewed sense of confidence because I feel like whatever this was, it made you kind of like give up the hope on life. You feel me? Because I feel like that was just not a part of life, some shit that you really just prepared for. You feel me? And then with that said, coming out, we do have the Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you, the Ace of Pentacles came out. So the universe is going to help you finally feel refreshed. And we have the Hierophant, generally speaking, the Hierophant. And